enough people of a variety of abilities, and maybe one of those trumps is your ability. It isn't that way. So it's basically, the younger runners aren't joining. The ones who are members have left or they've had kids and they're too busy. The older runners are getting slower or they're aging out. And there's just not that much of an appeal. And nobody's doing any recruiting. That's sticking flyers on people's windshield.
Hey, Lynn,
races,
sorry.
Things like that. Local races in the locals in the area.
Lynn, you want some water?
So,
Lynn, water?
I don't want to say the club is circling the green. But Carol alluded to that. And honestly, if it lasts another 5 years, I'd be surprised. Which is a shame. But that means that the number of people running the marathon is also smaller. And while everybody is probably, well, the people are being cooked.
You all know there's a Widowmaker up in the city and you couldn't care of yet, so if you hear anything, rattle, move.
Okay,
all right,
thank you.
thanks.
So, when I was coaching, I'd be telling people, if you're doing Boston, do the Bedford. If you're not doing Boston,
Come here,
do
Lynn.
Bedford.
Come here. All right, good morning, everybody. We're at mile 5 of the New Bedford half marathon. Had about probably 5 or 6 women come through. Top one was about 28:20, 28:30. It's probably like a 5:40 mile. This is probably 6 or 7 right here. Katie should be coming through here soon, so she's shooting for about a 6-minute pace, which would be about 30 minutes. So look for that blue Life Runners jersey. I think I see her. Yeah, here she comes, right on pace. Today is Sunday the 20th of March, Anno Domini 2022, year of our Lord. Sunday, the Lord's Day. There's very powerful prayers going up right now everywhere, at every moment of every day. The holy sacrifice of the Mass. Let's go, Katie! Hoo-yah! There she is, number 858. Good job, Katie. Let's go. Good pace, Katie. See if we can catch up to her. All right, Luna, come on. Come on, Luna. She's about 30:12. So, probably about 6:02 pace. Good work, good work. Let's go catch your mommy. Let's go get your mommy. Come on. Come on, Luna, get your mommy, come on. There's your mommy. You ready? Come on. Good girl. Now she's running free. She likes that better.